I would talk about something called as the food chain. Okay, food chain. In the ecosystem, everybody has a predator. Everybody can become a prey as well. Okay, everybody is a predator and everybody is a prey. Okay, so right now we are going for something called as the food chains. Okay, food chains meaning that they're having relationship between every single organism on this world. Imagine, even tiger and you is like living very far, but both of you are actually related. Okay, both are related. Like for example, if you are very hungry, okay, and you don't have a food to eat, and there's a tiger in front of you, you have no choice. You have to feed on the tiger as well. Okay, so predator and prey normally is like the predator. The prey is eaten by the predator. Okay, is eaten by the predator. And in order to find out the relationship, right? Normally the food chain will start with the plants. Okay, they will start with the plant. Plants normally we call it as a producers. Okay, no matter is what kind of plants are, like the grass like your mango tree or your rambutan tree, what else hibiscus, rose, all this. As long as it's a plant, you are calling them a producers. Why? Because you look at your third statement here. The plants are producers because they can produce food. Okay, as I said, plants is the only thing when they carry out the photosynthesis, and then you can make their own food. Yeah, you're right. They are going to absorb the sun and they're going to produce the food. Okay, they are going to produce the food. You can eat for the grass if you are very poor, or you want to taste for grass, you can eat it. Okay, but normally it will be eaten by the insects like grasshopper lah. What else What are animals that eat on the grass Cow okay. What else Chicken, cat. Okay, some of the cat, if they want to treat their sickness, they will feed on the grass also. I'm not sure whether you see your dog or your cat feed on the grass, but when they are sick, they will feed on the grass. Okay. So after that, the grasshopper, it might be eaten by other animals like mouse, and it might be eaten another animals by owl. So everything is like closely related to one another, and it forms the food chain. I would say that human normally is the final predator at the end of the food chain. Okay. Yes, human, you are alone. You try to attack the tiger, you are trying to attack the elephant, you try to attack other animals, but normally they if you are a human, okay, you are a human, if you don't attack the animals, they won't attack on you also. Okay, if you do not attack the animals, normally the animals won't attack you. Okay, just like you I mean, like, nobody stole you. Will you scold other people? Not really, right? I mean, like, we are having mutual respect. Same goes to animals. Yeah, we are having mutual respect as well. Okay, so everything except the grass. Okay, except the grass, from the grasshopper to mouse we call this as consumer. Okay, consumers. Why we say that they are consumers? Because they consume other foods. Okay, they consume other foods. Consume food. That's why we call it as a consumers. Alright? So anybody want to share me idea about the food chains? Food chain basically just show you the relationship like.
So food chains can be about types of animal that eat and something. And also food chains can be in our human lives, that the triangle food chain that we have.
You can have some triangle to have the relationship. But this one, you will learn it in your year 9. This one, are you talking about this?
Yeah, protein, carbohydrate, yes.
Yeah. Okay, you will learn it in your year 8 and also year 9 regarding this part. Right? So food chains, without the food chains, basically the ecosystem will be corrupted. Okay, it will be corrupted. You can't really survive without eating other animals. Okay.